The red moon, also known as a blood moon, is a captivating celestial event that occurs during a total lunar eclipse when the earth passes directly between the sun and the moon. It casts at showdown on the lunar surface, blocking direct sunlight. However, some sunlight still reaches the moon, passing through Earth's atmosphere and beading toward the moon. This filtered light secretes shorter wavelength of light, more effective, leaving lunar wavelength of red light to reach the moon. This causes the moon to appear a strictly shade of red or reddish brown, earning in the name blood moon. While the red moon is visually stunning phenomenon, it also holds science is virus culture and traditional. Some associate it with omen, prophecies, and divine message. In astrology, the red moon is often seen as a time of heightened emotional, intensified energy and significant transformation. It is believed to amplify the energies of zodiac sign, in which is occur periodical loading to dramatic event or turning point in life. The astrological interpretation of a red moon depend on this position in the zodiac and in its relationship to other celestial beings. For example, a red moon is Aries might bring impulsive action and fire energy, while a red moon in Libra could lead to intense relationship dynamics and deserve for balance. It is important to remember that the astrological significance of red moon is objective and varies from personal to personal. Some individuals may feel the effort for strongly than others, depending on their personal astrology chart and belief. Ultimately, the red moon is a powerful symbol of change, transformation, and the recycle nature of life. Whether you view it with awe and wonder or with a touch of suppressive, it is undoubtedly an captivity collective event that has captured the imaging of people for centuries. Then term red moon in astrology often referred to lunar eclipse where the earth shadow completely blocks the sun's light from reaching the moon. This causes the moon to appear red, hence the name blood moon. Lunar eclipse and the relating red moon are often associated with significant astrological event and can have a various interpretation depending on the specific astrological context. Some common interpretations include karmic signifiers. Lunar eclipses are often seen as periods of intense karmic energy where past action and choice may come to fruition. Emotional insight. The red moon can symbolize heightened emotional heightened sensitivity and a need for emotional release, transformation and endings. Lunar eclipse can mark the end of cycle and the beginning of new one, often bringing about significant change and transformation. Scriptural awakening. The red moon can be a time of spiritual awakening, inspect institution, relationship, and partnership. learner eclipse can impact relationship and partnership.